Most Chevy key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery. To replace it, first remove the key blade, if present. Then, use a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to gently open the fob case. Insert the tool into the seam and twist carefully to separate the halves without forcing them apart. This can damage the internal electronics. Newer models post-2020 may have integrated seals. Be sure to avoid short-circuiting any contacts. Most Chevy vehicles from the 2010s onward use fobs that are nearly identical in battery replacement mechanics. Once open, note the orientation of the old battery with the positive side facing up. Use a non-conductive tool, like plastic tweezers, to carefully remove the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces up. Snap the case back together securely until it's fully closed. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to ensure it transmits signals and locks or unlocks the car. Recycle the old battery at an electronics drop-off location to prevent environmental harm. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation or consider reprogramming at a dealership if issues persist.